This next contest is scheduled for one fall with a 30-minute time limit. Wait a minute. First things first. Are there any assholes in the building tonight? I got something in my ears here. Turn my hearing aid. Okay. I said, are there any assholes in the building tonight? I see my little buttholes up there. For the PG crowd. Folks, I was scheduled to wrestle Matt Hardy here in the main event tonight. Right? Unfortunately, I just got a phone call a little bit ago from one Eric Bischoff and one Hulk Hogan brother, who informed me that I am not allowed to wrestle here tonight. So, sorry folks. But wait a minute. You know, I'm not cleared to wrestle, but I was scheduled to be here in the main event tonight, and that's what I'm gonna do. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the referee for this contest, who just so happens to weigh in tonight at approximately 225, maybe 7 pounds on a good day. He hails from Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Introducing the contestants, first from Baghdad, Iraq, at 225 pounds, Sheikh Shan Navari.
People seem to think they always know what's best for you. There's so much hard to create a world to keep yourself. The boat is from the keys, like you saw this virtue life. First you cry and then you hate me. Bad Hardy sucks! Bad Hardy sucks! USA! USA! USA!
Hey! 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 Mankiego damy szamo, umani Joe! Baby, zastoję man! Baby, zastoję! Jednej mali! Now this Taliban regalia is not getting me any heat tonight, so I'm going to have to go a little cheap. Figure out when I get to work for you clowns. But if you don't notice me, if you don't notice my flag, I am an international superstar. So I have to get off a plane in a butthole of a state of Wisconsin. So I have to wrestle in a building that looks nastier than a disgusting hotel infested with rats. But I have to wrestle here in front of this fat, nasty bastard. And ma'am, your boyfriend's not much better looking either. If I have to come out here and give out free toothbrushes to everybody in the front row, because amongst them they don't got but 6 teeth in their combined mouths. If I have to come out here and perform in front of you backwater, hillbilly, inbred, cheese-eating, beer-swilling Wisconsins, then that's what I'll do to earn a paycheck. But if, and only if, you guys want to contribute to the Sean Devari Netflix Blu-ray extravaganza fund to supplement my library, you can join me at the merchandise table after the show. $10 8x10s, $20 t-shirts, and just for each and every one of you, free. Big right hands reach down to my ankles, and I